Fatty liver disease, also known as hepatic steatosis, occurs when there is an accumulation of fat in the liver cells. This condition can be caused by excessive alcohol consumption, obesity, or insulin resistance. If left untreated, it can lead to inflammation and scarring of the liver, which can cause liver damage and potentially lead to liver failure. While there is no cure for fatty liver disease, there are several vitamins that may help to support liver health and prevent further damage. Number 1. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that may help to reduce inflammation and damage to the liver cells caused by fatty liver disease. Studies have shown that taking vitamin E supplements can help to improve liver function and reduce liver inflammation in patients with nonalcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. In addition, vitamin E may also help to reduce oxidative stress in the liver, which can contribute to the development of liver damage. Number 2. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is important for overall health and may also play a role in supporting liver health. Studies have shown that vitamin D deficiency is common in patients with fatty liver disease and that low levels of vitamin D may contribute to the development and progression of the disease. In addition, vitamin D may also help to reduce inflammation in the liver and improve insulin sensitivity, which can help to prevent further damage. Number 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is another antioxidant that may help to protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. In addition, vitamin C may also help to reduce inflammation in the liver and improve liver function. Studies have shown that patients with NAFLD have lower levels of vitamin C than healthy individuals, suggesting that supplementation may be beneficial for these patients. Number 4. B-complex vitamins. B-complex vitamins, including thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pantothenic acid, B5, pyridoxine, B6, biotin, B7, folic acid, B9, and cobalamin, B12, are important for liver health and function. These vitamins help to support liver metabolism and may also help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. In addition, some studies have shown that supplementation with B vitamins may help to improve liver function in patients with fatty liver disease. Number 5. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is important for liver health and may help to protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and inflammation. In addition, vitamin A may also help to improve liver function and reduce liver inflammation. However, it is important to note that excessive intake of vitamin A can be toxic and may cause liver damage. Therefore, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider before taking vitamin A supplements. Number 6. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health, but it may also play a role in supporting liver health. Studies have shown that vitamin K deficiency is common in patients with chronic liver disease, and that supplementation may help to improve liver function and reduce inflammation in the liver. In addition, vitamin K may also help to prevent the accumulation of fat in the liver cells. Thanks for watching. If you or someone you know is struggling with fatty liver disease, incorporating these vitamins into your daily routine, along with a healthy diet and exercise regimen, may help to support liver health and prevent further damage. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Remember, prevention is key, so make sure to take care of your liver by avoiding excessive alcohol consumption and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health-related content.